Yo, what up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the location of the toy car that you can drive. So it's in the exact same spot as the Monster Truck Stadium. All you gotta do is just come up to the little ramp up here, and as you can see the stadium just there. I'll show you the location on the map real quick. So it's just here. So if you go into where all these bushes are, I'll go over there now. Oops, got stuck. And go keep going through. And you'll find a little car here. So you can just jump in that. Go a bit of a cruise.
Off we go.
So it's pretty fun. Just go a bit of a cruise. Now this thing's very fast. So yeah, it's very fast. So if you turn a little bit, it will turn a lot. So just be careful. Donuts, bro. So yeah. So this is just another Just Cause location video. Just Cause 4 location video. So keep going. Oops. Oh no, I just went through the ground. Okay, jump out. Come on. Okay, finally. Now I gotta see how I can get this thing back over. Come on. Sorry guys, it's actually fell over. Oh, the wrong one. It's so hard because it's so light. Come on, I'm gonna make it lower. Right, so hard. Come on, flip over. Yes. Alright, let's go. Whoop. Oh, that was intense. Alright. So guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. I'm going to be posting the cow gun location today, so see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.